Hi everyone, this video tutorial is about the math operators for Python. The use of math operators in Python is similar as to the other programming languages. So commonly these math operators are available in Python. First, I will also discuss some other concepts like comment, variable, indentation, etc. I have the PyCharm IDE opened here. You can follow the last video tutorial on PyCharm installation and how to configure the virtual environment. I can create a new project. I have provided a path of the project folder. The virtual environment was set previously, so I can select this option, previously configured interpreter, and I will create the project. I will not get any Python source file in the project, so I can create one by right-clicking on the project name and new, then Python file. I will give it a name main.py. So if you want to add a single line comment in your Python code, you can use the hash and then you can write a single line comment. If you want to write multiple line comments, then you can use the triple double quotes and you can write the multiple line comments in the triple double quotes. So let's first discuss what is a variable. So a variable is a space to hold a value in the memory. So for Python, there is no need to provide the data type of the variable and you can directly start typing by the name of the variable. I declared a variable named symbol and it is holding an ASCII character. I can use the print function from the Python to print that variable on the console. The Python is different from other languages. You cannot use a semicolon as a termination of the statement in the Python. It is not valid. So there is no semicolon in the Python. You can also not put any space or any tab in front of any statement. If you try to add any indentation or space in any statement, the Python will throw an error for that one. So the error will be unexpected indent. So you cannot add any space or tab as you wish in your program. So it is a little bit different from other programming languages. So if I run this program, it will print the symbol, which is an ASCII character here. So print function is actually accepting an argument. That argument will be integer, float, or any other string value. I added the second print statement with hello as an argument, so it is going to print hash then hello because we have two print statements. So the default behavior of the print function is to add a new line as a termination of the line. We can add one keyword argument end to override the default new line termination. So if the end is other than the new line, then it will be printed in this way. So if I'm not using the end keyword argument, by default the print will add a new line after every print. So I will first start with the multiplication operator, which is star, and I can use it with any variable. So if I write print that symbol variable multiplied by 5, then it will print that variable 5 times. I just added a few print statements to print the symbol. So this is how it is printing that symbol. I declared a new variable length so that I can replace this value in the print function with that variable, so the output will be same. I have also added a new variable named fill and it is having one ASCII character. I have added few another print statements. I also have added these keyword arguments so that I can print on the same line. Let's see what is the output. Okay, so it's printing a kind of pattern here. I can change the fill variable value. I just added a space. I just assigned a space character. Now this is looking like this. So the second line is printed by these three print statements. So total length of the pattern is 10. On second line, I am adding one hash at first position and second hash at the last position. So I will subtract 2 from the total length. That's why this expression is here. So this will fill the other remaining length with that fill symbol. So here I have used the multiplication and subtraction operator. I have commented out these statements so that I can start with a new math operator, which is the addition operator. So here I'm trying to add 1 to the symbol. So symbol is hash. Let's see what is the output. So this is throwing an error and can only concatenate string to string, not the integer. So symbol is a string and I'm trying to add an integer to a string, which is not correct for Python. Now this will convert this integer value to string, and now the output will be #1. So this addition operator for Python, if we are using the strings, then it will concatenate those two strings. I will discuss other operators in next video. Thanks for watching.